Hello everyone, this is Maria Bicolana. Yeah, and I am here outside. Yeah, happy Thanksgiving you all. Yeah, hope you're celebrating it with your family and your loved ones. Yeah. Anyway, guys, this is like I said, I am in my backyard. This is what it looked like in Canada on a Thanksgiving day. Yeah. Did you see that, guys? The leaves turning yellow now. Yeah. And pretty soon, this is actually just the start. Pretty soon it's going to be in the ground, and I'm going to show you when it's already in the ground. Yeah. Anyway, guys, there is always a tough flowers. Yes, no matter how hard the weather is, there is always a tough flowers, and I'm going to show it to you. It is right here, just before you enter my house. It is here. Did you see that hardy flowers? Yeah, like I said, there is always a hardy flowers. Anyway, guys, I think that's all I am going to show you out here outside, and we are going to go inside because right now I am waiting for my children to arrive. That's right, guys. So we will go in my house. Yeah. I am I am inside the house now. It is cold. It is cold outside. Yeah. So I am here now, and this is the I this is my son gave me for my birthday. Yeah. So anyway, guys, let's go to the dining. To the dining. We're going to go to the dining. Um. Table, yeah. The big table we call it. Yeah, this one. Yeah, I got it actually. I got it this morning. This is our dining table. We only use this, guys, on our like Christmas, Thanksgiving. Yeah, Christmas, Thanksgiving. Yeah. Yeah, that's when we usually my hair need fixing. Yeah, guys, and while I'm waiting for my children to come, like I said, I set the table already. My tomatoes. Yeah. And look at the pie. Did you see the pie, guys? That's what we're having for a dessert. And also, I bake my famous chocolate cake. My grandchildren like. Um, yeah, my hair is all over the place. Anyway, guys, like I said, I was thinking to myself, I'm waiting here for the children to come. Very soon they will be here. And I was thinking, oh, I should actually blog, because yeah, because I am waiting for my children to come. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I will show you the cake that I bake. Yeah, because I like blueberry pie. That's a blueberry pie. But my grandchildren like chocolate cake. It's Here, guys. Here. That's the chocolate cake. That's the chocolate cake I made. Yeah. So, anyway, guys, I'll show you. See? That's the big window I have. Yeah. All my plants there. Yeah. All my plants. See? Yeah. I'm just waiting for the children to come. Yeah. So what we're having is um we're gonna have a um chocolate cake that I baked, chocolate cake, and also blueberry pie. That's a blueberry pie, guys. Yeah, blueberry pie. That's right, guys. Like I said, I'm just waiting for the children to come. Yeah. And I have my tomatoes, my cherry tomatoes. Yeah. So guys, I got the table set, and I'm just waiting for them. This is going to be our Thanksgiving dinner. Yeah. I wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. May your family and your loved one together and celebrate it with your own way. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I am actually um uh like the weather is very very well, it's kind of yucky because it's raining, but at least it's not a snow. I'm gonna have my snack here. I'm gonna wait for them and have my snack. So bear with me, guys. I'm just happy that I hope you are. Although this content is I just showed you the backyard, my backyard, how it's turning yellow now. Yeah, it's turning yellow now, and yeah, and I managed to bake my grandchildren their favorite chocolate chip. No, not chocolate chip, chocolate cake. Yeah, with I even made icing, and also I put sprinkles in it. See, I put sprinkles in it. Yeah, I made it this morning. That's right. And I'm ready. I'm just waiting for the children to come. I'm having my snack, guys. Join me have my snack. Yeah. Yeah. This is a mandarin oranges. Yes, my favorite. Around this time, guys, I always have my fruit snack. Sometimes I have a watermelon, or sometimes I have a apple. I don't have banana, no. Banana, that's in the morning. And mandarin. That's about it, guys. It's actually sweet. Sometimes they're dry. I don't like the dry one. They don't look very very orange. But it's sweet, really sweet. My window, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe Maria Bicolana. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Bye!